Hey everybody, welcome back to DIY Boomboxes in Texas. My name is Phil, your host, and what we have here is, something simple but something cool. You guys have seen me do similar styles. This is my 50 caliber ammunition box with the 4-inch kickers. Of course, we have the amp controls up front. This is our treble, bass, and volume control. Now I leave the volume control up all the time, and you can control the volume from your phone. This particular customer wanted gunmetal gray with black. I believe to match his pickup truck, if I'm not mistaken. And of course, over here we have our USB ports with our voltage gauge. We got plenty of power right there. And of course, we have our charge port on the side over here. And of course, it'll come with a charger. And real simple, nothing fancy, just a beautiful paint job. I think it came out really good. And, Christmas is going to be coming up really soon, sooner than we think. This year's just really come up on us really, really fast. And these make fantastic Christmas gifts. I mean, they're something unique. Because as I said before, you can go to the store and buy a regular Bluetooth speaker. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's going to be a little cheaper than this. But at the same time, if anything ever happens to it, you're stuck. It's a paperweight. With these here, if anything goes wrong, I can fix it, especially if I give a 90-day warranty. After that, I will repair it for you if anything goes wrong for years. Just send it back to me, and we'll get it fixed. You'll have a Bluetooth speaker to hand down to your grandkids. I have no idea where Duke is. He was here a minute ago. He took off. But let's crank this thing up. This is going to be the first song ever played on this box. And let's see how this thing sounds. So these little boxes put out a fantastic sound. So here we go.
Sweet little baby, you don't have to go. Tell me you won't go. We'd be so good together if we had the time. Being alone is no wasted of mine. Ooh, I know this love's no crime. Oh no. I will find the time to change your mind. And if you stay the night, hold me tight. We can make the wrong seem right. So come on now, rock me, roll me through the night. Rock me, roll me through the night. Rock me, roll me through the night.
and gentlemen, there it is. The 50 cal box. You've seen me do these before. They always have a great sound, and I have to, I always promise the owners I'll put theirs up on YouTube. And again, this one's got beautiful colors. I love the gunmetal gray with the black. I think that's a really good look. And I put the blue up there, a little accent, matches the blue over there. Now, you don't have to have light up switches. I can disconnect that just as easily if you just want a regular switch. And but I think those look really good. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do me a really big favor. If you would please hit that like button there on the video down there somewhere, and that way it'll show YouTube that more people are watching, and I appreciate everybody who watches my videos. A big thank you to all my subscribers. Got almost 2,000 subscribers now. Totally amazing. And we got more projects coming up real soon. I got a couple of more on deck that I'm working on, so stay tuned for that. And I want to give a big thank you to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I have no idea where Duke is, so I'll try to get Duke in the next video if I can. So thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Wait a minute. Hold on. Almost signed off, and there's Duke. Come here, Duke. Come on. Come on, Duke. There's Duke. All right, let me go ahead and turn this off and move it out of the way. Hello, Duke. Everybody's been wondering where you were at. Turn around and say hi to everybody. I was just about to turn this off, and Duke came walking in the room. So all the boys and girls out there and everybody who's a big fan of Duke, here's Duke. This is your first time seeing my channel. Duke is one of my 4 cats. Duke is my second oldest. He's 11. His cousin Elizabeth is 12. And then I've got a 2-year-old and a 7-month-old running around here as well. So it's a full house, right, Duke? And Duke's my buddy. He's a cool cat. Duke has a couple of videos about him. If you go to the playlist, you'll see one called the Duke the Cat Special. And you'll get more about Duke's background and how long I've had him and what he means to me. He's a special cat. He's got fans literally all over the world. We get a lot of fan mail, and we love it. So thank y'all so much for everybody. So give a shout out to Duke out there and say hi to Duke. He loves it. He loves hearing from his fans. So thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Right, Duke? All right, bye, everybody.